ডে মিল সংক্রান্ত প্রচুর অভিযোগ রয়েছে, ওখানে প্রচুর অর্থ তছরূপ হয়েছে এবং সন্দেহ হয়েছে। টিচার ইনচার্জ এর অবৈধ নিয়োগের চেষ্টার পিছনে হুগলি সাচান সাজ মানে
Now, two allegations. One is this poor midday meal, and another is failure of the head teacher and the petitioner to provide the cash book and authenticated register.
My submission is, my lord, I am not the person responsible for meeting.
Very well, this is one of your
Second, my lord, in every school, my lord, the work are distributed. Midday meal, someone will do some work, he will do that work. I was assigned with utilization certificate to fill up the utilization form. Means how many rice are utilized, how many these vegetable is utilized, this thing is utilized. But my lord, in March 2019, I applied to the president, kindly release me from this job. He said, please continue. Thereafter, my lord, again I applied. And on June, in the month of June 2019, I was released from that.
Have you
My exception, I have annexed that.
exception to the report of the board?
No, of the district inspector as well as of the board. I have annexed that document.
So why don't you annex it in your writ petition?
My lord,
So that I can ask the school to deal with it, because school managing committee can, you are the managing committee. Is it correct that you have relieved him, you had relieved him on sometimes in July 2019?
Manoj, kindly come to Manoj is very
Wait, I will come to you.
Their document, school document. School দিয়েছে।
So this is the claim of the petitioner. What is the date?
my lord, I was
You
released.
hear. Had relieved her from the involvement in whatever incapacity of the midday meal program. What is your instruction? Then Mr. Chattopadhyay.
Manoj, kindly, Manoj, very serious allegation and Manoj, very vital document annexed by the school. Now kindly come to
Yes,
their
school.
report 18.
Mr. Ghosh, would you like to file the affidavit
Yes.
today or some without?
They have annexed all documents.
Already filed, or you are filing today? Would you like to develop your affidavit covering this?
Manoj, I think Manoj,
Don't file it.
in spite of that, Manoj was asking me why the DI. Manoj, it's reveals from their report. Manoj, 31 teachers out of 33 teachers, Manoj given Manoj written complaint to the SDO, and subsequently Manoj
When?
Manoj on Manoj 22nd July. Subsequently, Manoj DI endorsed the same on Manoj 24th July, page 22. My lord was asking on what basis DI is proceeded. Page 22, DI. Manoj,
What is the date of these 31 teachers lost complaint with the
yes,
DI?
Manoj 22nd July. There 20 July 2019, মানে there is a মানে allegation মিড ডে মিল সংক্রান্ত প্রচুর অভিযোগ রয়েছে, ওখানে প্রচুর অর্থ তছরূপ হয়েছে এবং সন্দেহ হয়েছে। টিচার ইনচার্জ এর অবৈধ নিয়োগের চেষ্টার পিছনে হুগলি সাচান সাজ মানে it is the মানে specific allegation মিড ডে মিল মানে DI endorse it on
Mr. Chattopadhyay, find out specific allegation, because your allegation, the teacher's allegation against the head teacher, on the midday meal, she has been relieved. She has been transferred to another
Mid
school.
day meal in charge also
Wait, she has been transferred. Now find out any specific allegation against the petitioner by the other teachers.
Then I have to go with the
Go through it.
inquiry report. Manoj, kindly
Inquiry report is nothing. You just submitted that the 31 teachers lodged a complaint regarding irregularities in midday meal program with the whom? To whom?
to SDO, he is the authority, SDO.
SDO. How it reached to DI?
Yes, thereafter Manoj, it reached to DI on Manoj endorse it on Manoj 24th July 2019. Manoj DI endorse it from the Manoj SDO office. Manoj DI.
Where from you are selling?
Page 22. This Manoj ultimate.
Wait, respond to the query only. Page 22.
22. consequence of receiving mass representation dated 23rd July 2019 by teacher and non-teaching staff of such and such a hearing.
Very well. 23rd July, he received this complaint from the some of the teachers of the school. Right?
I endorsed it on 24th.
25th July, you acted on this.
I acted on this.
Very well. Just tell me what is the allegation against the petitioner in this.
Then I have to go through with the inquiry report. Just now I
The
received.
inspection that was done on 26 July 2019 at such as the residence of the assistant inspector of schools. This was done on 26 July
Yes.
2019. This is the Mr. Chattopadhyay. This is a complaint, page 25.
Oh, acha.
Complaint to SDO is on 25th, 29 July.
This is one second complaint, I think.
Where is the 23rd July complaint?
Yes, it is page 18. Twenty-second July, I think
Wait. Don't be sure. We are no one is in hurry. What is the name of this petitioner?
Shormishta Ghosh.
Show me what is the allegation against this Shormishta.
just now I received it. I will give answer to the court, my lord.
No, from the letter, my lord, nothing is there.
Later, with regard to midday meal, midday meal in charge was Shormishta Ghosh.
No.
You have to say it on affidavit.
I will. That
Midday meal in charge. This word, the midday meal in charge on that particular day was Shormishta Ghosh.
Yes, I will use affidavit.
Not use. I'm specifying the word. You have to use this.
Whether she was
Whether you are just now have said that he was the midday meal in charge.
Yes.
On instruction, you are saying that. I'm recording it, your submission. I'm recording your submission. You are stand by with this. But if the records reveals otherwise, that the managing committee relieved him, her, or way back in month of June.
Managing committee documents just now I received. I have not gone through.
Mr. Chattopadhyay, unless you are sure, don't make these comments. His case is on June, I was relieved from this responsibility. How can I be responsible in the alleged incident of July? And you are on the behalf of the present DI, you are saying.
I have to accept. Because
Don't make this.
Documents just now I have
Don't
received.
make these passing comments. Please try to understand the gravity. Someone has to lose his job in this case. Someone.
Certainly.
My lord, this is the order of the court.
TIC.
This is completely allegation or the grievance of a person. How this earlier teacher in charge, what is that name of that earlier teacher in charge? Purva Mukhopadhyay. Why she has been appointed as a teacher in charge, depriving one Shumita Mill, who was one. This was the.
Sumita Kushari. The problem arises, my lord, when.
Wait. If you go to the page 18, if you say that actually inspired you, this earlier DI, to conduct that inquiry, so far midday meal, there is only one allegation. Allegation number 3. Midday meal সংক্রান্ত প্রচুর অভিযোগ রয়েছে, এখানে প্রচুর অর্থ তছরূপ হয়েছে বলে সন্দেহ হয়েছে. Right? Let us assume who are the signatories. Your client is not the signatory over there.
Kindly come to page 19, next page. Resolution. May I read it?
মাননীয় মহাশয় সদর চুচুড়া
midday meal সংক্রান্ত.
whose letter is this? 4 teachers.
4 teachers.
Wait. I can read Bengali. Test your card, Mr. Dasgupta, that you were the midday meal accountant, but you have declared that that is the recording of this letter. This is of 25th July. Possibly he is acting on this.
June, I was only given if the school book is produced, my lord, by the school, it will be seen, my lord. I was given the duty of utilization certificate. And I was released from that in the month of June 29th.
So the school record, at least Mr. Ghosh will show the 25th July. Is this the only the complaint, available complaint on the basis of which the earlier DI acted? This is the letter dated 25th July
My lord,
at page 19,
page 9.
right? The allegation against the head teacher, TIC, and Shormishta Ghosh, Shahshikika. These are the date is coming. Now, the inquiry was conducted by the DI. The allegation is that they failed to produce the authenticated register or cash book during inquiry. These are the two specific. Is it sufficient to initiate a disciplinary proceeding or something more is required? Such as that what are the nature of cash book and this authentic utilization certificate? Is it not necessary? That is something more is necessary.
When a proceeding is initiated, a show cause is issued. She will, whatever allegation is there, she will reply.
So therefore,
There
this
are
is the
charge
only
sheet.
allegation,
Yes.
failure to furnish.
She will get each and every opportunity.
Mrs.
to present.
Bhattacharya, allegation is failure to furnish some document. The consequence of such failure has not been spelled out in this inquiry report.
No.
Is it not necessary
No.
at least to suspend an employee before acting on such inquiry? Mr. Ghosh, in your affidavit, you have disclosed one letter of 2 or 3 teachers addressed to SDO. It reached to the DI. How?
My lord, my lord also already read, my lord, page 22.
Huh?
My lord already read page 22.
Page 22.
My lord. So, my lord,
কোথায় গেল আপনার এই বিবৃতিটা?
that is with
Oh.
regard to mass petition, not SDO
Page 22, na?
with regard to mass petition.
No, with regard to mass petition.
Only mass petition. my lord.
Only mass.
Yes.
This was addressed to subdivisional office. How it reached to the DI?
My lord,
How
in
it
their
will-
report, they have stated that DI has received an email. So this thing doesn't arise, my lord. This complaint cannot reach. They have admitted they have received through email.
So this situation can only be explained by that DI. Neither the
That DI. That DI.
he is the person to be
He is the person.
My lord, one thing,
Uh,
my lord,
yes.
let us, my lord, presume, my lord, all the allegations against me happened. I was the midday meal in charge. I have defalcated 5,20,000. This is the worst thing that can be. I admit, my lord, kindly. On 25th of July, this happened. There was an inquiry done, inquiry report. DI forwarded the inquiry report to the board. When was it forwarded, my lord? It was forwarded on 19th of August 2019. The inquiry report admitted.
These are the offshoot of this inquiry.
Yes, my lord.
These are the offshoot of this. What now I am inquiring.
I admit, my lord, they whatever in the inquiry, let it.
Mr. Dasgupta, first of all, if the factual aspects, we can marshal the factual things together. And then the question will come, how the DI can propose that?
Yes, ma'am. And how?
Because
can
the
I-
rule does not permit so.
My lord,
Secondly, without the DP being initiated, why disciplinary proceeding was not initiated thereafter?
Yes, only.
Why? Under the court's order, you have to relieve this head teacher against whom the bulk allegation was there. Why the suspension continued thereafter also?
And my lord,
What the DI, when he was removed from this place to that place?
my lord, another
My lord.
thing, my lord, only the board will answer. Admittedly, there is no disciplinary proceedings. The suspension order has been issued by the disciplinary authority.
No, that is another irregularity. Board is to explain it. The board is now proposing what Mrs. Chattopadhyay, you are, yes, Chatterjee.
Okay, same.
So, it's really something serious.
Lordship. Well, when this incident happened in 2019, the person who was the disciplinary authority, Mr. Partho Kormakar, and president is somebody Lordship knows, and this Partho Kormakar is no more the disciplinary authority. He is not with board also. Now he is posted in education and in primary board. I don't know the post, but somewhere over there.
Deputy Secretary.
Acha, he knows. And my lord,
And
I
because
personally-
the earlier president,
I-
as his made his footmarks everywhere.
well, I
Has
had a
made
talk
his
with the
footmarks everywhere.
I had a talk with the present president. After this came to my knowledge, she informed
Personally, let him come, let him compensate or otherwise from his service career or as a penal consequence, the economically, something, damages or otherwise.
And my lord,
So that
first day,
this-
my lord was also, my lord, of the view that allegation is very serious, twofold allegation. Board should
So
not have
far-
been, my lord, closed their site for last, my lord, 3 years. My lord, because after suspension, they should have proceeded, otherwise they should have, my lord, revoked
it
it.
should have
Why
been
they
done
should
with
not?
I don't think
Understood.
That
This
should-
cannot be
Because
sa-
every allegation goes against the DI. So, my lord, board is also, my lord, fairly
no.
submitted.
আমি তো
Board
বলছি
should not have been acted.
Mr. Chattopadhyay, board is not, but the board is now, once the president is a very high president, possibly he was started thinking himself the president of this nation.
India.
Possibly he has started thinking so.
So he is in presidency, that is.
He is facing, addition will not do. Addition will not do. Let us do one thing. Mr. Ghosh, would you like to rely on this affidavit? Would you like to develop a little bit more? So far the disciplinary proceeding or any inquiry as to the any misuse of the midday meal fund, the managing committee, if you have the opinion, you must apprise this court. Yes, we are proposing to make an inquiry. I'll be directing the authority to make it clean. Is there any? Not that he will be getting, she has been caught in a wrong foot. Let her join in her service.
Sus-
But
yes, well, suspension and discipline
You
was
take-
two separate things.
you
Well,
take,
suspension will be withdrawn.
Yeah.
And my lord, if an inquiry report, as per your lordship direction, if the managing committee inquires and finds.
yes, that will continue. That will
and
forward, that
on
will go.
basis of That we will.
Yes. These will not come in the way of initiation of any fund.
One thing.
That is no way connected with the allegation of defalcation of fund.
They have also stated in their affidavit.
So if the petitioner is not involved, if the head TIC of the earlier TIC who has now been posted as headmistress of some other school. Now the finding is the court has accepted that is the managing committee's resolution declaring that the TIC is no way involved with any mandatory defalcation. Why the petitioner who was the alleged to handle the accounts will be, the proceeding will continue? Why this has not been challenged? This is a finding against both. The disciplinary proceeding was initiated against both. Rather, the suspension order was issued against both. Suspension order set aside. He was directed to join as a headmistress of their school, and with the finding that the managing committee of the previous school, namely such and such, has found the petition is no way connected. That has been accepted by the court. What remains? See? Mr. Dasgupta is a very vital document. It should have been brought into the record of this case also.
No, আরেকটা teacher.
Now, what is the name of that person? Give me the details of that person, the DI. Leave is granted to the petitioner to add such and such. The DI, the district inspector of school,
My lord, the address
Who-
will be directed to.
who was the district inspector of school, district Hooghly, at the relevant point of time, and on the basis of whose inquiry report the board issued the impugned suspension order to the petitioner. Copy of the writ petition be served upon the said added party along with the copy of this order. Matter to appear in